Hello everyone, welcome to Learn to Make, and I'm Zifeng. So today I'm going to learn how to blow a recorder. Let's go. So this is a $6.50 recorder. I bought it in a bookshop. I have no idea how to blow it. Almost all of us had learned recorder when we are in primary school, but I can't remember me playing it. So today I'm going to learn it to at least play the front part of the music that I see in this video. I chose this music. It's called Splashing Around by the Green Orbs. I think that I can make a video in the future of me learning a recorder to play this music. How do I start? Okay, I need to get the, what is that called? The chord? Is that called a chord? Recorder? Oh, it's called a fingering chart. Fingering chart. So now I got a fingering chart. I shall try to understand what this chart do. Wait, how do I place my finger? The golden rule of playing recorder is to have the left hand on top. So what is that double sound? It shouldn't be double sound, right? I cannot get why when I press everything the sound will be off, like way off. Do I need to press very hard? Okay, fingering chart. So this is a C. When everything is covered, it's a C. Am I doing something wrong? And this is a D. And this is a F. F sharp. It sounds the same. G, A, B, C, D. I might be a genius. So in the original music, there's two people playing the same music. There's a background, and also the main one that is the one that I blow. You might be as bad as me when you just started learning something new. But the only thing that is stopping you from doing something is you. They say you can learn anything you want, and this is it for this video, and see you in the next video.